Congress leader Kapil Sibal on Sunday said that while India needs resurgent Congress to fill the political void in the opposition ranks, the Congress too needs to show the people that it is active. Congress President Sonia Gandhi on Sunday condoled the demise of the leader of opposition in the Uttarakhand Assembly, Indira Hridayaish, and said she leaves behind a legacy of public service. The NCP on Sunday said that all three Mahavikas Aghadi partners are united in running the coalition government in Maharashtra, but no decision has been taken so far on alliance for the 2024 Assembly and Lok Sabha elections. India's first official beyond visual line of sight medical drone delivery experiment is scheduled to begin this week in Gauri Bidanar, some 80 km from Bengaluru. Shiv Sena legislator from Chandivli area, Dilip Lande, on Sunday made a Nulla Clinic contractor sit on waterlogged road for not doing his job properly. The MLA also asked his workers to put garbage on him. Several private hospitals across the country said they have no clarity on procuring COVID-19 vaccines under the new policy announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that it has led to the vaccination being put on hold at their centers. India reported 80,834 new COVID-19 cases, 132,062 patient discharges, and 3,303 deaths in the last 24 hours, as per Union Health Ministry. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said that India is a naturally ally of the group of 7 nations that share common values and concerns. At least 10 people have lost their lives due to heavy rains and winds in different areas of Pakistan. In times of crisis, people often look up to the on-screen heroes to act as a savior even in real life. This coronavirus pandemic has left people struggling to survive. However, in this time of distress, many celebs have come forward, joining hands with common people to help them with the necessary things needed to fight the pandemic.